All right, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got Cheryl's G-Wagon behind me. Look at it, it looks insane. So Cheryl's from London, but she's living in Newcastle. She's dropped down her G-Wagon for a full Akrapovic exhaust system. Have a listen on how it sounds. All right, so you had a little tease on how it sounds, and it sounds insane. It sounds crisp, it sounds quality, and that's because it's an Akrapovic. Akrapovic is made in Slovenia. It's got to be one of the best exhaust systems on the market today. But this is an OPF back system, so let's go through a few of the details before we install it. You get this kind of the back boxes of such that have this beautiful resonator. Then it has a valve system, so when the valves are open, I believe it's free flow all the way through this side. When the valves are closed, the gases go through the resonator on this side, and then it resonates and comes out the tips. Obviously, those tips aren't the most beautiful, but these tips got to be one of the nicest tips on the market for the G-Wagon. So they're going to go on the edges and it's going to pair up quite nicely. But with any Akrapovic exhaust system, where the sound really comes in is the technology inside this box. So this is the Akrapovic exhaust sound box system of such. So this controls the valves, and it's been fine-tuned for these cars. So this is a kind of like OPF car. So it has the OPS before it, and it's quite a hard thing to get the sound out of. But anyways, let's get the car up in the air now. We're going to start installing it. We're going to start installing this sound box, which is quite technical in the back of the car. And then we're going to show you some before revs, some after revs. And yeah, if you want one yourself, get booked in. All right, we're in Cheryl's G-Wagon. This thing is another level. This is what an M5 should be. This is a 100 grand car. All right, cool. So the car has now been finished. It was a really nice install as always with Akrapovic. Super simple. Probably the hardest thing is all the technology for the sound box, but just take your time with that and it will come together. It all makes sense. Thankfully, they have the best instruction manuals on the market. Obviously, this is an OPF car, so we're limited by the regulations, but if you are in other countries such as like Dubai, America, you won't have the OPS filters. Ooh, raining on me head. Comfort mode. Braking traction. Now a little pull. Sounds good. Sounds really nice. Ooh, nice little pops. Ooh, rain again. Not much. Sport mode. Oh yeah, definitely. You can tell the difference straight away. The pops. 3 on every. Really nice, and then the overrun, the downshift, wow, really nice. I think that's perfect. I think if you're looking just to increase a little bit of tone on your G63, you obviously you want to be street legal. This is the main thing. Akrapovic, fully TUV, all the legalities are taken care of. It's fully road legal, which is a nice thing. You've got your OPF is in place, and you have the sound controller at the back there, so you've got the crackles. Yeah. Whoosh, it sounds so good. It just sounds perfect for this kind of style of car, you don't want to be crazy loud, especially on these V8s. But anyways, guys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you need a system for your car, any Akrapovic system, we are the Akrapovic #1 kind of UK, well, London dealer. So hit us up, be more than happy to help out. Any car, RS6, 992 Turbo S, anything you need, we'll be able to accommodate. So drop us a line, drop us an email, or a call, and we'll see you on the next one. Everything sweet is gangster show, that's what I'm saying.
Always talking, I'm like, let them chat.
Hold up, wait a minute.